if you're watching this video for one or many reasons. You plan on going to Jmblya. And not only are you planning on going to Jmblya, you don't know what the fuck you're finna get into at Jmblya. And me being a veteran of not only going to Jmblya, but going to my fair share of concerts, I know exactly what you finna get into. So, I'm all about public safety. I don't want y'all to be safe this Jmblya season. So if you won't live, listen to me. Rule number motherfucking 1. Do not try to be cute at Jmblya. I'm sorry I had to say that so aggressively, but I had to get that off my chest. Because not only did I hate seeing it, I was one of them motherfuckers who tried to be cute at Jmblya. Don't ask me why. Just know I tried it. I went there in a fucking extended t-shirt, black denim distressed jeans, and some fucking shell toe Adidas. White shell toe Adidas. Them motherfuckers was the color of me by the time I left. It was not a fun sight. And I don't plan on doing that ever again in my life. So, with that being said, ladies, leave your sandals, leave your heels at the crib. We do not want to see y'all toes. Fellas, leave your Chelsea boots, your Yeezys, all them shits at the crib. We ain't trying to Nobody wants to see y'all Migos Met Gala fit. Say that for your prom. Because I know a lot of y'all niggas going to prom this year. Ladies, another pro tip. Wear waterproof makeup. Because if you think you not going to sweat, you a dumb bitch. And I'm being completely honest. Because y'all don't want to look like this at Jmblya because you decided to wear some runny ass makeup. No, you don't want to be that girl. I remember when I went to Jmblya, there was a dude wearing white Ultra Boosts. Like, nigga had a fit on with some Ultra Boosts. And I was like, oh, you don't give a fuck about your shoes. He was like, man, I didn't even think it was going to be this bad. What? Nigga, you wearing white mesh shoes. Anywhere where there's more than 5 people within arm's reach, what the fuck is reach? In arm's reach of you is going to be an issue because niggas is going to be stepping on your shoe and it's not even going to be on purpose. It's going to be because of the I'm going to get into that. We're going to jump into rule number 2 is if you don't like being squished, stay your ass from as close to the front as possible because there's this constant push and pull of the crowd at Jmblya or any fucking general admission area of a fucking concert. And you don't want to be the person who falls. Because there's going to be some people who give a fuck that you fail, which might be the people who you came with. But there's going to be other people who's trying not to fall because your silly ass failed. So they might use you as a stepping stool for balance. I remember one time my fucking shoe came off my foot and I was sitting there standing still, feeling for my shoe. Then it got to a point where I was playing defense against Steph Curry in the 4th quarter, like lockdown defense, trying not to fall. Because that's how bad the push and the pull of the crowd is. And you would think the people next to you is pushing you or the people behind you is pushing you when in fact it's people who are like behind the pit and in front of the pit. The pit, I can't really describe the pit. Fuck it, let me try to describe the pit real quick in like the lamest terms. So this is the barricade, this is the stage, right? So the stage right here, the barricade right here. There's a space between that, obviously. So if you're right behind the barricade, you're like front row. You're kind of good. Only thing is, everybody's gonna be trying to get their way up there, so you might be constantly getting elbowed and nudged. If you don't like that, you might not want to be right there. But like right behind that is the pit. It's where the moshing, the jumping around, the raging, all that shit happens. And it's a constant sway between them because some people trying to get to the front, some people trying to get out. The pit opens up. People think that's their opportunity to get to the front. Then once the pit closes, it's gonna be a constant push and pull. But behind the pit is the safe zone. And if you don't want to be in where all the shit I just described, you want to be in the safe zone where you can see the push and the pull of the motherfuckers, and you're good. You can just stand there and be fine. You might not have the best angle to get like all up and close or personal in your fucking favorite artist's face, which you might have the best shot of the night because you get to see everybody who's jumping and the artist. So that's probably the best angle for all you people who love being on Snapchat at fucking parties and concerts. Okay? That's rule number 2. Rule number 3. Fuck this rule number 3. Eat before you get there. And make sure you stay hydrated. I can't stress this enough. I broke this rule too. I didn't eat shit before I went to Jmblya because I didn't think I needed to be honest. I thought it was going to be fine. I didn't think it was going to be as many people. Like, I really underestimated how many people was going to be at Jmblya. Like, not only did I have on the worst outfit as far as concert attire goes, I was also there on an empty stomach. So the heat in the body heat already taking a toll on me. Now the fact that I don't have any food in my stomach is also taking a toll. So you don't want to be like me the first year I went to Jmblya. Use me as an example. Don't be like Jacuzzi's first year at Jmblya. Because you're going to hate it. I mean, you're going to have fun, but you're going to be like, fuck, I'm tired. So, you know, just make sure you eat and stay hydrated all throughout the day. Well, don't eat all throughout the day, but you know what the fuck I mean. Eat before you get there and make sure you're drinking water throughout the day. This is rule number 4, right? Yeah. Rule number 4. Don't forget your ticket and leave all your valuables in the car. Another rule I broke. I forgot my ticket because I was like, man, I don't feel like printing out my damn ticket. Having to carry this big ass piece of paper. While I'm in line and shit. Let me just use my phone. But the girl I was dating at the time when I went, she wanted to print out both our tickets just in case, because I don't know. And so they went to scan it. The shit didn't scan. She was like, you better be glad I printed out your ticket because you're going to be stuck right here. I was like, well, hey, don't forget your ticket. Make sure you print your ticket out. I need to go print my ticket out tomorrow, if we being honest. If you have like a charm bracelet that your mama gave you that you really give a fuck about and you want that motherfucker to break, leave that bitch in the car. Wallet, with all your money, your cards, your identification. Well, make sure you got your ID on you, but everything else, and you don't plan on spending no money, leave your wallet in the car. Ladies, leave your purse in the car. Fellas, if you want to bring your fanny pack to hold all y'all shit in there, y'all could do that. This isn't a video about what the fuck you can and can't bring to Jmblya. They have all that on their website. Go look at it. And last but surely not least, probably the second most important rule after the don't be cute one is don't be shy, bro. Do not be shy at Jmblya. Because 100 out of 99 times, everybody there is cool as hell. And I say that because I know that y'all all there for the same reason. Y'all all there to see one artist or a handful of artists. And so y'all music interest is the same off rip. So y'all damn near just alike. So if you see like in between sets and there's something going on stage, instead of just sitting there waiting, why not have a conversation with the person next to you or behind you? Make you some new friends. Hell, don't be shy, bro. Don't be shy and live in the moment. Enjoy the fact that you at this concert, this music fest right now. Because some people don't have those luxuries of actually being there. So instead of just making sure you got the video clip for Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, hey, why not just have the memory? That's it for the Jmblya Survival Kit. If you follow all 5 of these rules, I promise you, you're going to have the best time of your life at Jmblya. If you break one of the 5, you're going to be upset with yourself. So make sure you don't try to be cute. If you don't like being squished, take your ass to the back, eat before you get there, and make sure you stay hydrated throughout the day. Leave your valuables in the car and don't forget your ticket. And don't be shy and live in the moment. If you follow all 5 of those rules, you will survive Jmblya. My name is Jacuzzi. Y'all can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. That's all right here and link down below. And I'm finna go walk my goldfish. Y'all be positive, stay hydrated, and mind your business. And one last thing, bro. This is random as shit. But I find myself randomly throughout the day saying this fucking song. They need nourish me. Oh, baby addicted to power. Stuck on my nuts in the shower. Cookie I mix with the sour. Hit it from back like a coward. Your favorite rapper wanna sign me. My jacket like, where did you find me? House big. Ooh, trouble to find me. Ooh, I get a check. Ooh, make it enough. I heard you sick. Ooh, ain't saving enough.